So hello everyone, welcome back, and today is the semi-final part of this series where I'm ranking every race characters peoples, and today is the Astro Toilet's turn. I'm going to rank 7 Astro Toilets in this video because there are not many Astro Toilets that we have been shown in the series. So we are gonna start the list with the K9 Astro Juggernaut. This is basically a mini Juggernaut which has all the same abilities as Juggernaut but in a variation. He has got the same blaster, the same shield and many more things. Judging by the fact that he has the same appearance as Juggernaut, we can also notice that he has the same weapons as well. And the most important thing that makes him powerful is that he's the son of the Astro Juggernaut, where he really got killed in episode 75. But Astro Juggernaut took revenge from him. He just couldn't let that slide. So of course that was the mini Juggernaut. So next up is the Astro Carrier Toilet. This Astro Toilet is not really that powerful, but he is the container of everything literally. He's like a mini ship. He's really huge, wide and large, and he can carry many things. And he even carried the parasite which had infected Titan TV Man in the new episode. He just has too many weapons in his arsenal. If you talk about his weapons, he doesn't really have many weapons, but only his 3 lasers, which he just uses to destroy something in way when he's flying, and nothing more. He's not really much of a fighter, but more of a carrier. That's his job. Why would he fight if he can carry anything? And he is meant to carry something. The next up is the UFO Toilet. He's at the number 5 spot because of his abilities and many more. He first appeared in episode 53 and he showed how fast he is and many more abilities of his. He's much faster than a glitch toilet and he can move at rapid speeds as well. Because Astro Toilets cannot really move that fast while fighting, they can only fight while traveling. But he is different, he can even move fast while fighting. And this makes him powerful as well. And he got upgrades like his blaster gun got upgraded and he got a new device where he can stop the TV Man teleportation. He's one of the most strongest character yet. Most of the times where he appeared, he has only appeared to give a warning or like giving orders and stuff. He doesn't really have much of abilities and many more things. So we can move on to number 4, which is going to be the Astro Detainer. This toilet could be much more powerful if he didn't underestimate the G-Man toilet. But that doesn't matter because that helped him a lot because he's going to be upgraded now. And judging by the technology Astro Toilets have, he can be upgraded pretty quick, which will make him the strongest character after the Mothership. Let's talk about his ability, okay? We can go into theories later. So if you talk about his abilities, he got the 3 arms which are the Astro arms, which also had been included in the TV Man race, which of course they stole from the Astro race. Now these arms can do many things. They can grab onto attacks, they can absorb attacks' energies, they can absorb lasers, they can attract lasers, they can throw back the lasers with their projectile, they can absorb the energy and make it their own projectile, or they can use it in physical attributes. He really failed to show us his true potential, but nonetheless, he's going to come back and get even stronger. So we will stay tuned to get his comeback soon, although that will ruin the alliance completely. These claws can also transform into other weapons like a harpoon and something, including the blades. So now we can move on to number 3, which is going to be the Astro Juggernaut Toilet. He's the first character who has violated TV Man like this. He wasn't even cheating, man. He just defeated him one-on-one. And in my opinion, TV Man was trying to cheat. But he got everything in his hands and he defeated Titan TV Man. And the real thing is that he didn't even face many casualties while fighting Titan TV Man. He just lost his blaster gun and maybe some damages on his helmet. But everything is fine, So the next character, number 2, is Astro Duchess. She first appeared in episode 76 without her Titan body. But when she came back in episode 77 full episode, she shown us her own body, which is basically a Titan. She was detached from her Titan body. I don't know why, but it was as it is. It was definitely not an upgrade because it couldn't happen so fast. Only in 1 episode, are you kidding me? If we talk about her abilities, she got the gravity pull guns and the lasers. And she can throw lasers out of her mouth as well. And out of her eyes, of course. And that's it for the Duchess. We can move on to number 1, which is the Mothership. This character is the strongest in the whole series right now. He just doesn't have any much abilities, but the one ability he has is the one that can matter the most, which is the Ultra Beam he can throw from his core. This is the only ability he got and it's the most powerful in the series, which is just a very powerful laser, which also makes him the strongest character yet and the number 1 spot on our list. So that's it for today. I will meet you in the next episode and the final episode.